So now I got one problem. Always coming fault on turbo actuator, low signal or something like that. And this low signal fault, it's normal is those cables bad, but here is cables okay. I have changed another one. Here cables have been repaired before somebody else, and it's same fault. Now I found out that problem is in motors. I have 3 motors, and now we check first motor resistance, and it's like that, not stable, 3003 kilo ohms. Second one motor is 5 ohms, like it must be. Third one is 9. It's also flying, it means it's bad. So from 3 actuators is just one 5 ohms, it means this one is good. So now I try to put this in this original actuator, and we will see, maybe it's gonna be good.